First functional test of the RC Aerodyne King Air. Power on for the first time. Flap check. Elevator. Rudder. Retracts are set up, but of course I'm not going to put them up now. And
motor on.
Motor on. First time on its wheels and with power on. Complete with Vario prop, adjustable props. Still have to install LEDs, logo lights, tail light, center section here behind the engine cowls. Other than that, she works. About another week and she should be ready for a maiden, I hope. It's been a long time coming for this model. Thanks to my buddy Doyle. Got one more surprise.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
There's one 6S cell in each nacelle. Haven't yet set the CG or checked balance, but that will come later. Just wanted to get her on her feet, get power on, make sure all systems work. Now to get the LED box wired up, get the LEDs checked. It's been a long time coming. Been waiting for this model for a long time. I know there's not very many of them out there. I think RC Jet Jock still has his. I'm not too sure though. I think he might have sold it. Too bad. She got some power, that's for sure. Put it on a watt meter. See how many amps she's drawing per motor. And set the pitch of the blades so that they're identical.